Say goodbye to hand cramps and tangled cords. Meet the ultimate DIY game changer, the electric cordless screwdriver. Compact, powerful, and easy to use, this tool makes assembling furniture or tackling small repairs effortless. Meet the tool that's redefining precision and power, the Makita Cordless Pencil Impact Driver. Designed like a pencil, it's perfect for hard-to-reach spots and detail work. No bulk, no hassle. Don't let its size fool you, it packs a punch with its powerful motor for fast, efficient fastening. With USB-C charging and long-lasting battery life, you can work longer without interruptions. Control is everything. The ergonomic design and variable speed settings put you in charge of every project. Say hello to speed, convenience, and power in your pocket, the Works Cordless Screwdriver. This compact powerhouse is perfect for all your DIY and home improvement needs. From quick fixes to big projects, it's got your back. The quick change feature keeps you moving without missing a beat. With its rechargeable battery and USB charging, you'll always be ready to go anytime, anywhere. Power, precision, and portability. Introducing the Black Plus Decker Max Cordless Screwdriver. Whether it's DIY projects, assembling furniture, or quick home fixes, this tool does it all. Fast fit changes? No problem! Its compact design fits perfectly in tight spots, making every task effortless and stress-free. Powered by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery with USB charging, you'll never run out of juice in the middle of a project. Meet your next go-to tool, the Hammerhead 4V Lithium Rechargeable Screwdriver. Compact, versatile, and ready for action. From quick repairs to detailed DIY projects, this screwdriver makes every job a breeze. Got a tough spot to reach? The built-in LED light ensures you never miss a screw, even in the dark. Say goodbye to dead batteries. Its rechargeable 4V lithium battery with USB charging keeps you powered up wherever you go. Comfortable, lightweight, and designed for precision, it's the perfect tool for beginners and pros alike. Built for convenience, packed with power, the Hammerhead 4V Lithium Rechargeable Screwdriver is a must-have for every toolbox. What will you fix today? Say hello to effortless screwing with the Bosch Push-Drive Cordless Screwdriver. The tool that works as hard as you do, literally. Push to activate, no triggers, no buttons. Just precision and power in every press. Compact, lightweight, and powerful, it's perfect for assembling, repairing, and getting into those tricky corners. Recharge with ease using any micro USB cable. Fast charging means you're back in action in no time. Customize your power with 6 torque settings, perfect for delicate jobs and heavy-duty tasks alike. Precision, power, and push-to-drive innovation, the Bosch Push-Drive Cordless Screwdriver makes every job a breeze. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? Flexibility meets power, introducing the SpeedHex Flip-Out 8V Max Cordless Driver. The tool that adapts to you. With its unique pivoting head, you can tackle screws at almost any angle. No more awkward positions or hard-to-reach spots. Powerful, precise, and versatile, it's the perfect tool for home projects, tech fixes, and even car maintenance. Powered by an 8V max battery with USB charging, it's always ready when you need it. Designed for comfort and control, the Flip-Out gives you variable speed settings to match any task. Compact, powerful, and endlessly adjustable, the SpeedHex Flip-Out is your ultimate problem-solving tool. What will you fix today?